Triad is the next step in the Biome ecosystem, taking Biome technology and splitting it in exciting ways. With 40 effect cells and 400 presets to choose from, in this video we'll take a look at Triad's primary features. The heart of Triad is its Biome Splitter. This section takes your input and distributes it across Triad's rows in various ways. For instance, if you want to add saturation to a signal's base frequencies while leaving the upper registers untouched, you could do that. Additionally, you can make the higher frequencies shine more by adding contrast or stereo image. Let's have a closer look at the Biome Splitter. From 6 options to choose from, the splitter is categorized into 3 modes. The frequency splitter, which separates the audio into multiple frequencies, can be 3-band or 2-band. The parallel processor signal is duplicated and identical copies are processed separately before being summed together. This also works in 3 and 2 bands. The last 2 modes work in the channel processor mode, which is more of a traditional stereo processing with mid-side and left and right. The Biome row consists of 40 effect cells organized into 8 categories. Each effect cell can be expanded, added to, and you can right-click for additional functionality. In addition to the effect cells, you also have Modulator Cells. At the bottom you can activate this and show and hide the cables. And for this example we have the macro assigned to the saturation gain and also assigned to the saturation mix in inverse mode. So when we increase the macro, it's going to affect both the gain plus and the mix minus. Next, we'll use the sine LFO to modulate the panner for the midband. At the top, you have global controls for input gain, output gain, and mix control. And you also have the sample rate control, which is the quickest way to achieve lo-fi effects. And lastly, the factory presets give you quick access to audition different ideas with your music. You can also save, load, and share your presets. Triad is a complementary plugin to the Biome family, giving you access to the splitter, and the Biome effects give you endless possibilities. I encourage you to download a fully functional 14-day trial from the website. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, as well as follow us on social media. Thank you guys again so much for watching.